Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is another driving lesson. So in my last video, you will have seen that there was panic. It happened. In this video, things are better. And a lot had to do with me readjusting my mental attitude towards myself, and things went better. So I hope you enjoyed my video, and I hope that if you are watching this because you're wondering if you can ever drive a manual, that it encourages you that if you just practice, keep trying, and don't freak out, and have a patient, saintly teacher that you can do it too. Enjoy my video. I hope to see you next time. Bye. I can drive. Control your emotions and remain calm and have fun. Last lesson, I very much freaked out. I don't know what it was. I just got I made the decision we're going to drive to the shops. We're going to drive to the shops for the driving lesson, which is all open roads. It's no back roads. So I think it was wondering if someone would recognize me or if I'd make a mistake and embarrass myself. This constant feeling of embarrassing myself. But I made it to the shops, even though I freaked out, which you'll probably see. Tonight, positive thinking, it's going to be okay. And if all else fails, I have brakes and I can pull over. Yes. Why are you breathing like that? Why are you okay?
Fine.
Don't message Joe anymore.
Okay.
Don't even touch your phone.
He watches these videos. Sorry, Joe.
I nearly forgot to put the clutch in.
People know what you're doing.
I have something in my eye.
An eyeball?
I feel myself letting the clutch up.
Yeah, you'll go faster if you do that.
Yeah, through to the neighbors.
And because this hill's so steep, you don't need any engine to go. You just need physics.
Let's get physical.
And you don't want to go too slow because you want that momentum to get up onto the road.
Well, I'm used to the van. The van makes...
Yeah. Now go to first.
The van makes terrible, what do you call it?
Creaky noises. Clutch out. Yeah. We're driving. Go second. See first, it's quite jerky. So we're doing the route to the shops. And we're going to keep doing that to get you used to...
What do I go and what
second,
gear?
Second.
What?
Third.
Where's third? Up.
Yep. Let it do it, remember? Yeah. The revs.
Oh, I do revs.
Quite a bit of revs actually. Clutch, 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 clutch. Yeah. Second. Third. Let it do it.
There's one car in front of me. Traffic is very light.
You might want your window up for the video.
Sorry, I had my window down that whole time. Didn't even know. When I first got my driver's license when I was 18, it was an automatic, of course. That's why we're here now, 20 years later. I never knew two things. I never realized, I think because I was hyper-focused on, okay, it's a red light, I'll go down a second.
Oh yeah, you can go all the way down to a stop in third. Just you're going too slow. Just approach the car normally. It would go up to fourth, but it's a red light, so may as well just... Oh yeah!
Whoa. That was
Up to
amazing.
fourth?
Or that one time I tried to go in third and I went into first.
You want to try fifth?
No, thank you.
Oh come on!
What is fifth?
It's from same as second to third. So, but you'll need to push it over to that wall to go into fifth. So the wall closest to you.
Push it straight away or go up a little bit and then
Go
push
up
over?
to the middle and then push to the wall up to fifth.
No, it's too much to go down. I'm fine.
Yeah, that's cool. One day. good day.
One glorious day.
Baby steps.
I wanted it to be like a trifecta. Drive alone, into fifth, and crash. What do I do now? Please.
You can go down to third and 60, because it is 60 here. It's smoother on the clutch, thanks. For traffic, because you might be predicting if you're going down a gear or not. No, you'll make it go.
And if you have a person in your life that is scared to drive a manual, you can share this video with them and show them me, because I can drive and I can control my emotions and remain calm, and I can, oh my goodness, red light. What do I do? What do
Second.
I do?
Yeah, second. Yeah.
My clutch is still in. I'm sorry guys, there was no time.
That's okay, we're going to stop. Go to first.
Now when it's time to start,
Get that quiver point and then rev it up. Better. Up to second.
I can't on a corner.
Yeah, second. Indicate.
Oh, so many things going off. Is it
Around the corner.
neurons, etc., firing off in my brain? Guys, I'm nearly at the shops. Oh, I can't speed. It's 50.
Up to third. Beautiful. Beautiful.
Short person problems.
Indicate. Second. Yeah, nice. Clutch out. Very good.
That was smooth.
That was very good.
I have to say, stop it.
That's
Don't
very
do
good.
it. Don't. I'm going around the corner because I couldn't.
Yeah, this is where you normally should go.
These.
So don't forget to clutch in car park situations. Clutch in and just let it roll. Don't break it, just let it roll. And then clutch out if you need more go.
And I'm actually gonna not like try to just get whatever parking spot tonight.
Well, you kind of went with the safe option, like over there.
Although I'm now feeling
For traffic,
terrified.
and if someone parks behind us, we're not going to be able to get our shopping in
Why?
because we're putting it in the boot.
It's not a van.
Yeah, but with a trolley and everything.
Am I too far back? Is that what you're saying?
No, I'm saying you should go in that car park. Say the boot is free. Do you know what I mean?
Well, can I just
Take your foot off the
release
gas.
the clutch?
Just take your foot off the brake. It'll roll back. Your wheel's not straight, so you're not going back straight.
I'm looking at the lines.
I'm sorry.
I am straight.
Look at your wheel.
It doesn't
You're
matter.
going back
but
and forth.
I'm not. It's straight. You need a wheel alignment done.
What?
Why are you laughing?
If you want to go straight back, you don't go.
The lines are there. If I see misalignment, I move like a smooth snake.
You take your foot. Had a moment.
I can drive, and I can.
She just drove to the shops. No worries. No worries.
This is so exciting. I'm very proud of myself. And tell your people that you're going to share this video with that it's the mind. It's mostly the mind. If you have established that you're a good driver, you can drive a manual. And just learning a new skill, and that can be scary.
In the immortal words of Lex Luthor, mind over muscle.
What happens if you have both?
Let's go shopping. You're still miles away from the side of the road.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Fairness, I think. So this is on a bit of a hill now, but try and get right up his butt so you're on as flat as possible. Help you out. You clutched! I didn't remind you. You're in first still. But it will roll back a little bit, I think. So clutch first, then revs. There we go.
I didn't stall.
Second. Third. Nice and quick because it's uphill. Very good. Very quick. Very good.
I wonder how many times I've had my mouth hanging open this time.
So try and predict the light here. You don't want to get caught on the hill. in.
Clutch is in.
First. Quiver point. And then more revs.
Do I have to turn it off?
Yeah, you do.
What do I do then?
Clutch in, quiver point, and then accelerate. Leave the clutch there. Handbrake off. More gas, and then stop. Clutch in again. Yeah.
There was a person quite
Got
close behind me, and that really distracted me a
Right,
lot.
you're about to go, so get quiver point going. Don't stall it. Gas. Yeah! Nice! Second. Yes. Third. Let him do it. I'll do it. Don't you worry about that.
Why does it keep doing that?
Don't worry about it.
People are going to see me stress out.
Up to fourth. Nice. Now we're cruising.
Except that there's a world's biggest roundabout, like the Griswold's Vacation movie.
If you don't have to stop, you can go around in third. So down to third. Yeah, clutch out. Watch for this car. See if he's coming this way, so brake and get into first. Oh, good. You went to quiver. Second.
How? I'm driving.
Yeah. There we go.
A roundabout and an
then up to
indicator
third.
on.
No, let it do it.
Man, I'm
Up
starting.
fourth.
I am starting to
There we
feel
go.
myself hesitating because I still force the gears sometimes, but I am starting to feel myself. I do it and then I'm like, oh wait, let it spring to the middle.
Yeah, that's right.
Now this
And I'm
is
getting you up the gears quickly. This is the new phase of learning. You want to get up to fourth cruising gear as quick as possible.
now I'm quite nervous about the idea of going around the corner here. I'd ideally like to not have to stop at all.
Yes.
So,
Look at the traffic.
dear Lord, please change that light to green.
Well, it's about to now.
Please change it. There's still two.
Go down to third. There we go.
And I'm not flinging my
Keep going.
I'm not going up to fourth.
fourth.
No, because I'm
Yeah,
turning
fourth.
here.
Come on. Don't be scared of gear changes. You want to be braking hard to do that, and we don't want to brake hard.
Do you skip gears?
Sometimes, yeah.
There you go. What gear am I in right now?
You're in third, and you want to go down to second for this corner. So clutch in. Very good. And brake.
I am
Clutch out.
braking.
Yes.
Trying to turn and take
No,
the
clutch out first. You want to be in gear for the corners. You don't
What?
want to coast through corners. Up to third,
Why wouldn't we want to coast through corners?
because you're slowing the car down. You want to slow down with the gears.
It should
not
be
the brakes.
illegal to park cars on the side of the road. It should legit be. What are you doing? Oh, they're a learner.
Just wait for him.
There's a learner in front of me, and they're pulling over again. Probably because
They're nervous about
they
you.
think I'm not a learner. I'm a learner, guys.
Just wait. Clutch in. Come to a complete stop, please. And then first. Yes. Ooh, that's a good one. Second. Clutch in. Clutch out, sorry. Clutch out.
Sorry.
I can sense it.
Sense
And you want to go down to first for the driveway. Clutch out, and go over this side a little bit, and then swoop in. Swoop. No. In. Yeah. Up.
And I won't forget the clutch. You always like.
Don't hit the wood. Clutch in. Yes. Hold up. Can you just move it forward a little bit? You're a bit too far back.
What?
Just in first, and just clutch it a little bit. Foot off the brake. Clutch in again. Yeah.
I went back.
Actually, let's stay here and practice that. Just the clutch in, clutch out. clutch in. Yeah, that's it. So those car park situations, that's all you need. You don't need to fully get off the clutch.
Okay, so lessons learnt from tonight is you want to be in your gear before you turn the corner, whereas I'm thinking, no, I've got to turn the corner, I've got to think about that, and then I'll worry about the gear. But if I get the gear out of the way, then I can worry about driving.
Yes. You want to be changing gears quickly and back into gear. Like, the out of gear moment should be like 1 second, not 5.
Yeah.
And you shouldn't be coasting around gears, around corners
With my clutch
in neutral. You want the power.
So every time I put the clutch in, I'm in neutral.
Yes, effectively. You're disconnecting the engine from the gearbox.
Wow. Lessons learned. Strengthening of character. Strengthening of marriage. See you next time.
Bye.